Hello, welcome back to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie. Today we will be cash stuffing 193. Let us count the cash. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 20, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we have $193 here. Now let's count the leftover cash in my wallet. Okay, spending we had 5, we now have 0. Eating out we had 5, we have 0 left over. Grocery we had 59, we have 0 left over. Gas we had 25, we have 0 left over. Buffer we had 10, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. This is going into our savings challenges today. So let us write that down. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so let's start cash stuffing our wallet today. So spending is gonna get 5. So I started making my March savings challenges. I will be showing them off in my March binder setup. I think it's going to be my next video. So groceries is going to have 60, so 20, 40, 60. Okay. Gas 25. I just realized I put the 20s back in my thing upside down. Oh well. Okay. Okay, buffer is going to get 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Usually buffer money goes into my savings challenges. Okay, that's it for the wallet. Now let's do my high priority binder. I'm gonna move this aside over here. Okay, wedding. So wedding is going to get 23 today. Oh, just plus 23. Calculator. So 259 plus 23 plus 282. So let me get the 23. 20. So 1, 2, 3. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Okay, and then that means we get to fill in one of the trackers. fill this in finally. Okay. Now we just have 2 more icons to do. Oh yeah, let me write the amount that we saved all together on there. Okay. So apartment is gonna get 29. 20 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So how much is in here? 145 plus 29. Should have 174. 26. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. 174. Then that also means we get to fill in one of the trackers. It's gonna be a red house this time. Okay, Derek is gonna get 10. He only has 10 in there. Okay, emergency is going to get 5. 10, 15, 20. Wait. Here it is. Forgot 20 in there. So 26 plus 5 equals, it should have 45 now. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. Let's get our marker. That's a different green. Oh well. Okay, so now it has 45. Let me update this tracker. 26 plus 10 equals 10. I have to update his tracker. Beauty is gonna get 3 today. 1, 2, 3. So now it has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11, 3 plus 26. Okay, meds we're skipping. Toiletries, it's gonna get 3 as well. Yep. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, why did I take this out? Oh. There it goes. Okay, so now it just has $3. Okay, wardrobe is getting $3 as well. One, 2, 3. Okay, that's it for this binder. Let's go. We're not doing our low priority binder today, so let's go into savings. Okay, 2025 is going to get $5 and $5 from our leftover money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's circle the 10. So let's cross this out and put 10. And then now it has 20, 40, 60, 85, 6, 7, 8, 9, and $90. Right? Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 7, 9, 8, 9, 10. Yep. $90. Oh yeah, by the way, the 2025 savings are now on my Etsy. Stupid Cupid. Ugh. It's gonna get $2 today, so let's color in 1 heart. 1, 2. So now Stupid Cupid has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was thinking of doing a video of where I count how much money the savings challenges had. How much we saved with the savings challenges throughout February. Okay, Flower Power is gonna get 3, 1, 2, 3. Plus, it's gonna get these $2 from leftover. Let's cross that out and put 5. So we finished the $5. So let's do a $3 one. And then let's do the ribbon. I'm gonna do pink for it. Okay, gonna sit this over here to dry. So now Flower Power has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. Okay, and then Love Letters is going to get the last $2. So let's color this in. Put this aside to dry. And then Love Letters now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. And then it's going to be it for this video. I will see you guys next time in my March binder setup. Bye!